What it do? As you guys can see, I got these brand new headphones that can change your way how you work out and the way you block out people. As you can see, my name O'Dane, and I'm back here with a new unboxing video. Let's get it. Alright, let's go. We're gonna be taking a look at these bad boys right here. Let's see what they got in store for us. Don't disappoint me, Apple. Alright, a little shake, you know. Ooh, okay. Something simple. They got us with the little greeting cards and stuff. How these works. Let's take a look at these. Alright. So you can see right there it says Airpods Pro. Alright, these are just a little basic instructions of how to use these earphones right here. These are really important. Warning stuff from Apple. Here we go. This is what we're here for. Right here. Earpods. Alright, this is a case that it comes in. A little bigger than the first case. Let's take a look in here. You know what? We're gonna save these for last. Take a look down in the box. Got some down here. Okay. See what you're working with. They got us with a little charging cable. Always do that, Apple. Okay. You see right here. What else? What else they got us with? Oh snap, they put headbuds in here for the first time. They got us with some new, you got big, small, medium ears. I guess these earphones are for you. Let's take a look at these bad boys right here. Let's get rid of these. Alright, that's what we're here for. You see them, don't disappoint. Okay. Something like. These babies are sexy. You see right here, got a new iPhone Pro Apple headphones right here. That's you see right here. What we got. Right, so I'm gonna hook these bad boys up to my phone. I ain't gonna lie to you, but with these, oh my god, these are perfect. If you go to the gym, oh my god, I ain't gonna lie, best headphones right here. All I gotta say, Apple really stepped it up this time. Nice cancellation on these babies. Can't hear no one around me. This is one of the best products Apple came out with. I'm telling you. Let's see what they got for us in store next one. Alright, that'll be it for the video. Thanks for watching. Go copy some iPhone Apple headphones Pro.